हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9 का चैप्टर क्लाइमेट, जो कि है हमारा ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस चैप्टर में मैं आपको कुछ 1 मार्क टाइप क्वेश्चन बताऊंगी, कुछ 3 मार्क टाइप और कुछ हमारे क्वेश्चन होंगे 5 मार्क टाइप। सो मैं आपको वीडियो से पहले ही बता देती हूँ, अगर आप में किसी भी अब तक के पढ़ाए हुए मेरे किसी भी चैप्टर का PDF चाहिए तो आपको क्या करना है, मुझको ईमेल करना है। और जो मेरी ईमेल ID है वो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप वहाँ पर जाकर देख सकते हैं, या फिर आप मेरे चैनल के अबाउट में भी जा सकते हैं, वहाँ पर भी मैंने अपनी ईमेल ID डाली हुई है। प्लस मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज भी है, आप उसको भी जाकर फॉलो कर सकते हैं, निधि's क्लास के नाम से है वो भी। और अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट करिए, मैं आपके डाउट को जल्दी से जल्दी क्लियर करूँगी। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट आर दी कंट्रोल्स इफेक्टिंग दी क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर: देयर आर 6 मेजर कंट्रोल्स ऑफ क्लाइमेट ऑफ एनी प्लेस. They are now: first, latitude; second, altitude; third, pressure and wind system; fourth, distance from sea; sixth, ocean currents; fifth, ocean currents; and sixth, relief features. ये थोड़ा सा नंबर मिस्टेक हो गई थी, so sorry for this. Now, question number 2. Why does India have a monsoon type of a climate? Answer: the monsoon type of a climate is categorized by a distinct seasonal pattern. The weather conditions greatly change from one season to the other. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior parts of the country. The coastal areas do not experience much variations in temperature, though there is variation in rainfall patterns. 4 main seasons can be identified in India: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon, with some regional variations. Okay. Question number 3. What are jet stream and how do they affect the climate of India? आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन. जेट स्ट्रीम क्या होते हैं और जेट स्ट्रीम हमारे इंडिया के क्लाइमेट को कैसे इफेक्ट करते हैं? सो आंसर: द जेट स्ट्रीम आर अ नैरो बेल्ट ऑफ हाई एल्टीट्यूड above 12,000 meter westerly winds in the troposphere definition in the description box, you can go through that. Their speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summer to about 184 km per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant is the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet stream. Now, over India, these jet streams blow south of the Himalayas all through the year except in summer. The western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the north and the northwestern parts of the country are brought in by this westerly flow. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet streams move north of the Himalayas with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream called the tropical easterly jet stream blows over peninsular India approximately over 14° north during the summer months. Question number 4. Give the characteristics and effects of the monsoon rainfall in India. Answer: the monsoon, unlike the trades, are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions encountered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. The duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days, from early June to mid-September, around the time of its arrival. The normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. This is known as the burst of the monsoon and can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. The monsoon arrives, ये उसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. The monsoon arrives at the southern tip of the India peninsula generally by the first week of June. Subsequently, it derives into two, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on approximately the 10th of June. This is a fairly rapid advance. The Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. The lofty mountains cause and monsoon winds to deflect towards the west over the Ganga plains. By mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon arrives over Surastra, Kuch and the central part of country. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of Ganga plains. Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. By the first week of July, western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Himalaya and eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. By the mid-July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country. Withdrawal or the retreat of the monsoon is a more gradual process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in the northwestern states of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. The island receives the very first monsoon showers progressively from south to north from the first week of April to the first week of May. The withdrawal takes place progressively from north to south from the first week of December to the first week of January. By this time, the rest of the country is already under the influence of the winter season. That's it for this chapter. Now, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment me if you have any doubt and email me if you want this PDF. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. And हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना अगर ऐसे अच्छे वीडियोस और भी चाहिए तो. Bye bye.